Mr. Trump, how are you feeling about today? Are you confident with your lawyers?
Do you trust God?
Well, thank you very much, everybody. Make no mistake about it. I'm here because of crooked Joe Biden, the worst president in the history of our country. He's destroying our country. This country is being destroyed rapidly, not slowly, rapidly. On the borders, on energy, on inflation, on everything you can name. Afghanistan removal, everything about what he's done. He's destroying our country. And he's also destroying it with weaponization. And this is purely his weaponization. See who's in the courtroom. You go, just see who's in the courtroom. You'll see. And you'll see where they come from. And if you report it accurately, a lot of people are going to be very upset. But this is all election hunting, election interfering. It's going after Joe Biden's political opponent because he can't do it himself. And they're helping out. And we have a judge who's highly conflicted. He happens to be corrupt. It's the worst confliction. It's the worst that anybody's seen. Nobody's ever seen anything like it. There can't even be the prospect of an impropriety.
Unveiling the Conspiracy is the New York court targeting Trump to boost Biden. Hey everyone, welcome back to Why, your go-to channel for unpacking the wildest, most controversial news of the day. Today, we're diving into a juicy conspiracy theory that's got everyone talking. Is the New York court's verdict against Donald Trump just a legal maneuver, or is it part of a grander political strategy to keep Joe Biden in the White House? Let's break it down. The verdict drama. So, here's the scoop. The New York court dropped a verdict on Trump, accusing him of some shady dealings with hush money during the 2016 election. Christian Whitten, Trump's former senior advisor, didn't hold back, calling the whole thing a kangaroo court, basically saying it was rigged from the start. According to Whitten, this isn't just about justice. It's a strategic move to knock Trump out of the running for 2024. Everything. Here's where it gets spicy. The court set the sentencing for July 11th, just days before Trump hopes to be officially confirmed as the Republican nominee. Coincidence? Whitten and the Trump camp don't think so. They argue that the Biden administration is pulling the strings, using the judicial system to throw a wrench in Trump's campaign. With Biden struggling in the polls and facing backlash over the economy and foreign policy, a distracted Trump might be just what he needs. Trump's reaction. You know Trump. He's not one to stay quiet. He's been vocal about his anger and disappointment, but this might just be the fuel his campaign needs. By painting himself as a victim of a politicized system, Trump could rally his base even more. His supporters see him as fighting against a corrupt system, which might just boost his popularity further. The Biden playbook. According to Whitten, Biden's team is betting that these legal hurdles will weaken Trump. They're hoping this strategy will shift the political landscape in Biden's favor as we head toward the 2024 election. With Biden's approval ratings taking a hit and people still blaming him for inflation and other issues, any advantage could be crucial. What does it all mean? At the end of the day, this theory shows just how divided and distrustful our political climate has become. Whether or not you buy into the conspiracy, it's clear that every action is being scrutinized and politicized. Only time will tell if this is a legitimate strategy by the Biden administration or just another twist in the never-ending saga of American politics. So what do you think? Is this a calculated political move or just a coincidence? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into today's hottest topics. Until next time, stay curious.